Hello everyone, today I have a short video how to change your web language setting. If you're using a browser like Chrome, you can follow this step. If you're using Android phone or tablet, you can go to the search setting page. Okay, first you have to sign in your Google Chrome page, then going to upper corner you can see that three dots. You're going to click that three dots, scroll down, you can see that setting, click that settings. Going to page like that setting page, and then you can scroll left side, you can see that language, click on that language. Coming page like that preferred languages, you can add language. So right now I have English United States. If you want to change or add, click that add language. Scroll down, you can see that so many languages: Arabic, Bangla, Bulgarian, Chinese, Dutch, English, French, Italian, German, Sinhalese, Greek, Hawaiian, Hindi, Irish, Japanese. So many languages available on the page. Australia, English, Canada, English, India, Ireland, English, New Zealand, English, South Africa, United Kingdom. You can find your language over here. Then you can search right here and search your language, and you can add, and you're done. Whatever language you selected, then go to dots. You have to display Google Chrome in your language. You can use Google Translate. That's the how do we change web language in Google Chrome. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.